My Code Factory, Angular applications.
Angular offers tremendous flexibility in terms of architecture and designing.
You can have classical code organization as component model service, or you can have modules, components, services, models, or whatever you prefer.
In fact, you are even free to have your own coding style. My Code Factory would follow that.
You may choose Bootstrap, Angular Material, or anything else best suited for your requirements.
You can have data entry form layouts as 1, 2, 3, or even 4 columns if you want.
My Code Factory would gladly accept your preferences and produce code exactly the way you want.
Thanks for watching.